Hey there. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to turn on messages, notifications on Gmail on your PC with the new update. First things first, open your Gmail account. Once you're in your inbox, look for the web address at the top of the page. Next to the web address, you'll see a little icon. Click on it and select View Site Information. A new menu will pop up on the screen. Look for the option that says Open Site Settings and click on it. This will take you to the settings page for Gmail notifications. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Permissions. In this section, you'll see a box next to the word Notifications. Click on this box to enable notifications for Gmail messages. A drop-down menu will appear with a few different options. Choose Allow to receive notifications for new messages in your Gmail inbox. And that's it. You've successfully turned on messages, notifications for Gmail on your PC. Now you'll never miss an important email again. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. See you next time.